Rahim. Now we are again with another lecture. It's a comprehensive lecture on all the contractions from A to Z, right? So now we start. Okay, so now I ask you, as you know, English needs, Braille needs contractions because Braille takes a lot of time and space. So therefore it needs contractions, or we can call them shorthands. Right? So shorthands, there are a lot of contractions. So we will start from grade 1 contractions and then and grade 2 contractions. We will cover both. Okay? So we start. Okay, what is the contraction of A? What is the contraction of A? Alaj?
A.
Yeah, you can come near. You can see. Yes, what is the contraction of A?
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
A doesn't have a contraction.
Yes, A doesn't have a contraction. Why?
Yes.
It is the word.
Because it's a word.
It is the word.
For example, if I write a book, right?
Yes.
An apple, a book. So therefore, A cannot be used as a contraction. Yes. B is for.
One and two.
B is for
But.
But.
B is for
But.
but. So here it is written but. Focus on it. But, right? B U T. I write it as well. B U and T. But. Okay, comma.
Space.
Okay. So but is there. Now I raise its volume a bit so it can be recorded as well.
JAWS version 2026 privacy trade system network state system volume state speaker enter. Open phone sound setting open volume and leaving menus settings system volume 100% alt F4 taskbar privacy apps using your micro task switching the JAWS professional the Duxbury Braille translator on title.
Okay. C is for can. C is for
Can.
so here is C. Okay.
Space
And it is C.
C. A new line
And
N
can. Okay.
lower space comma.
Okay. Next. D. D is for do. D is for do. So D.
A,
Oh
line.
no, it's D.
A
Do.
D new line
D,
space E
do. D.
D
O.
O
Comma. Yes. E is for
space
E is for every.
E
E.
space every
E. V.
V
E R
R
Y.
Y
Every. Yes. Next.
lower
F is for
From.
F F space
from.
E
Well done. You have become
F
expert.
new line F R O N lower space F
Okay. Others can use slate, braille slate. I'm using my laptop. It's fine. Both are used for braille. So it's okay. So G is for go. G.
G space G O
Okay. H is for
A R new line R Z
okay.
lower
Have.
space and comma
Have. Next.
I.
I is
I
for
has no contraction.
no contraction. Good. Why? Because I is a word.
Yeah.
So therefore I has no contraction.
J
J.
J space F
Just.
J U S T
Good.
space just comma
K is for
Knowledge.
K is for knowledge.
K
K
new line
N O O
L
W
L new line
E
E
D G
G A new line A
E.
E low space comma,
Next
comma.
is
L.
L is for
L
Like.
space
like. L I K E.
E lower space like comma
Next is
M.
M. M
F space more
is for
More.
O R E.
E lower space more comma
N is for
N
N.
space not
Not. N-O-T-E. Not.
Lower. Look. Space N.
It's not Omut.
N-O-T, yeah. So N-O-T not. Next is,
This one you should remove the E.
Space.
Okay.
Lower. E. T. O.
okay, O,
O. Blue line.
T, yeah.
Yes, okay, yes.
Okay, yes,
Lower.
not.
Space.
Not. Next is, O has no contraction. P has
E. Space.
people. What is the spelling of
A. E. O. E. L. E. Lower.
yes,
Space. People. Comma.
people.
Q.
Q,
Q. Space.
Q,
White.
White.
no, quite.
Q.
Q, U, I, T, E,
E. Lower.
comma,
Space. White. Comma.
quite. Next, R.
R.
R is
Space. N.
rather.
R.
R, A, T, H, E,
Blue line. E. Blue line.
R.
R.
Rather.
Lower.
Yes.
Space.
S.
Rather. Comma.
S is,
So.
S is so.
S.
S,
S.
O, so, comma.
Space. R.
T is
That.
T. H. A. T.
that, comma. ST, that, THAT, that. U is for
Space. Us.
U, S.
S. Lower. Space.
Us. V is for
Very.
Space. R.
V, E, R, Y.
Y.
Ready?
Lower.
W.
Space. V.
W is for
Will.
W. Space. Will. W. Double. I. L. L. Lower.
okay. Next,
X.
X is for
It.
yes, it.
Lower.
IT
Space.
it.
And comma.
Y is for
Y is U.
Y. O. U. Low Z.
oh no.
Low Z.
Yes.
Lower. Space. U. Comma.
U, right? Y is U. Y O U U.
Yes. Z.
And Z is for
Us.
Space.
S.
A. Blue line. A. Blue line.
Z
S.
is
Low B.
us.
No.
Low B.
S.
E.
S. Okay. So comma. We press.
No, us. E should not be there. No.
Lower.
It should
E.
be A.
Oh yeah. I press.
Lower. Space.
Okay.
And comma.
As okay. Enter.
the line.
Enter.
The line.
Right.
Yeah.
Now we move to next. We move to next contractions which are used, right? Which are part of grade A, grade 1 braille, right? But they are also very, very important, right?
Okay.
And they are part of grade 1. They are part of
Grade 1.
grade 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
The empty sign. The empty. Space. A.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the contraction?
N. E. E. Blue line.
C, H.
E. D.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Lower.
And.
Space. And comma.
A and D and
And.
please. And A and D and
And.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
4, 6.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
And
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
F.
4, 5, 6. That is 4.
Space. 4.
Yes.
F. O. R.
4.
Lower. Space.
Okay. FOR 4. Next. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Off.
Off. Focus on it as well. Off. Right? Off. Here is off. And now I'm writing it as well. Okay.
O. F sign. Space. Of.
O.
O. O. Blue line.
F.
F. Lower. Space. Of comma.
Okay. Here next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. No. 2, 3, 4, 6. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 6.
That is D.
The
The.
or the whatever is correct.
Yeah.
The or the both are fine. Okay.
Alright.
Both are fine.
THE sign.
Okay.
Space. The.
T H E the. Okay.
Yeah.
Lower. Space. The comma.
Okay. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
With.
This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
With.
This is with.
With.
Just see. Focus on
Yes.
with.
With.
And now I'm writing it as well on it with
W I do I
W
W double
I T H
H
with.
lower space W.
Okay. Next is now 1-6. That is
CH.
1-6. Here is
CH.
1-6 and here is what is this? What is the contraction of CH? And if it comes alone, it is child.
Child.
Child, yeah.
Right? Here is written child. CHILD. Okay. So
Space.
I write as well. I write it as well. For 1-6.
CH sign.
Okay.
Space with
If it comes in a middle or the beginning or at the end of a word, it is CH.
CH.
H
CH.
H do I
Okay. Comma.
lower space
But if it comes alone,
Child.
it would be child.
Child.
So I'm writing it CHILD. Child. Okay. Comma.
lower space W.
So be careful in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is 1-4-6. 1-4-6 is
146 is which? SH.
SH.
Or you jump
SH
GH.
sign.
Jump.
Space shall.
SH.
You jump GH. I think GH should
We will come to next.
Okay.
Yeah. SH. If it comes in the middle or the beginning or the end of a word, it is
Shall.
It's
SH.
SH.
Yeah.
But if it comes alone,
SH comma.
it is shall. SHALL.
L L
Okay.
lower black do I
Okay. Next is 1-4-5-6. 1-4.
That is TH.
1-4-5-6.
TH.
So this is 1-4-5-6.
TH.
I show you.
Or dish.
Where has it gone? Yeah, this is 1-4-5-6,
TH.
and this is TH, right?
Yeah.
But if it comes alone, it is
This.
this. So here is
TH
1-4-5-6,
space T
and now TH,
T H
comma,
space
and
T
this THIS,
S.
this, comma.
low space is common.
Okay. Now we move on to next. That is 1-5-6. 5-6.
That is which?
No.
Sorry.
WH.
WH.
1-5-6 is
WH space T
okay. 1-5-6 is WH. WH and comma,
Lower,
and if it
space T.
if it comes alone, WH is when it is part of a word
Yeah.
in the beginning, middle, or at the end.
When it
But if it comes alone,
Which?
it stands alone. It is which.
Which.
W
W
H
I
I
C
C H.
H lower space is
Okay. So be careful in it. Okay. Next is 1-2-5-6. Here is 1-2-5-6, and this is yes. Where we use OU if it is a part of a word. But if it comes alone, it is
Out.
Oh.
out. It is out. So I'm writing it 1-2-5-6
over sign space out
and out. O U
do I
T, and if it is part of a word, it is
Oh, you.
O U,
U
comma.
lower space no comma
Okay. Next is 3-4. 3-4. 3-4 is what?
3-4.
Yeah. No, 3-4, not 3-5. ST. Good. Well done, Rasul.
dot 3
3-4.
ST sign space still
S
S
T.
T do I
Okay, if it is part of a word. If it is part of a
space ST comma
word. But if it comes alone, it is still.
S T I L L
Still.
lower no space
If it comes alone, if stands alone, it is.
Still.
If it is standing alone, it is still. Okay?
Okay.
So, next is next. Wait a minute. Next is I'm just checking whether we have left anything or not. Okay. So yeah, we have left 1 to 6. 1 to 6.
That is
1 to 6 is
GH.
GH. That is GH. 1 to 6.
GH sign. Space. GH.
It is GH.
H.
Comma.
Space. GH comma.
Okay. And if it is it never comes alone. If it is 1 2 4 6, 1 2 4 6. What is 1 2 4 6?
ER.
No, 1 2 4 6.
Dot 6. Dot 6. Dot 6.
1 to
ED sign.
ED.
Left. Line.
ED.
Lower.
It
Space.
is
Comma.
ED. It is only ED. Okay?
1 to 4.
Yes, and it never comes alone. Next, 1 2 4 5 6.
ER.
ER sign. ER. Space. E.
ER.
E. R.
So it is also part of a
Lower.
Word.
Space. E.
right. So next is after ER we are going to now 246.
OW.
246 is
OW.
OW. 246 is
OW. Space. Out.
O.
O. O.
W.
W. Lower. Space. Out. Comma.
Okay. OW. 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 Next is we have 3 4 5. 3 4 5. Here is 3 4 5. Right? 3 4 5. Yes, Rasul and Halash. No.
R sign. R sign. Space.
AR.
A.
AR.
R.
AR.
Lower. O. Space. E.
Okay? AR. Don't forget. AR 3 4 5.
3, 4, 5.
Okay.
AR.
Or and 3 4 6.
3, 4
N. Sign.
3 4
Space.
6.
N.
was.
N. G.
No.
3, 4, 6.
Yes.
Lower. Space. N. Comma.
3 4 6 is ing. Yes. So it is part of a word. It is always part of a word. Okay. 3 4 6.
Left in the line.
Okay. What is dot dot 2?
Comma.
Simple 2. Simple 2 is comma
Lower. Lower.
if it comes
Space,
at the
comma.
end of a word.
Yeah.
But if it comes in the middle of a word,
EA.
it is EA.
EA.
But I don't recommend people using it in the beginning.
Okay.
Okay? Because it creates confusion.
Confusion, yeah.
So it's a people use it in the beginning as well, but that's a wrong contraction, right?
Okay.
Always use it in the middle.
Middle.
EA.
Oh, at the
Okay?
end, no?
Yeah. No. At the end it's comma.
Okay, okay.
A.
It's not a
Lower.
contraction.
Space.
Okay? So this is the thing. Okay. Next is we have 2 3. 2 3 or lower B.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Low B. Space. B.
2.
3.
That is B.
B.
BEB.
B.
If it is part of a word in the beginning. If it is
In the middle.
in the beginning or alone. Beginning or
Alone.
alone, that is B. B
E. E.
E.
E.
Lower.
But if it
Space,
comes
comma.
In the middle.
in the middle, it is
Double B.
double B.
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 B. Lower.
Okay?
Space. B. B. Comma.
So never forget. Okay.
Yeah.
Next
2, 3.
2 5. 2 5.
Low C. Low. Space. Comma.
This is
Below C.
Below C.
Yeah, 2 5.
con.
Yeah, 2 5 is If it comes in the beginning of a word, it is con.
C-O-N.
C. O. N. Lower.
And if
Space,
it
comma.
if it comes in the middle,
CC.
it is cc.
C. 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 New one.
For
Space,
example,
comma.
success. Right?
Space. C. C.
Okay.
Lower. Space. C. C. Comma.
For example, success.
Success.
Clear? Next is wait a minute, let me find next is 256. 256.
6.
256, if it comes at the end of a word, if it comes at the end of a word,
Low
Period.
D.
it
Space,
is
Period.
period, full stop. It is full stop.
Lower. New. Space. Period.
And if it comes in the beginning of a word, it is
This.
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 I. New line. S.
So this, for example, disconnected, dislodged, discontinue,
Dislocates.
dislocate,
S.
Discuss.
this.
Lower. Space.
Okay?
Comma.
And if it comes in the middle, then it is
DD.
double D.
Double
D.
D.
D. D.
So
Lower.
that is, for example,
Space,
middle.
D, comma.
MIDDLE. Clear? Next, we have next we have wait a minute, let me check. Because I don't want to miss anything, right?
Yeah.
So we put it everything. Yes. Next is lower F. Lower F. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5.
Low F. Low F. Space.
Yes, what is the contraction?
At the beginning is two.
Yes, if it comes in the beginning, it means TO2. T2.
O. Lower.
If it
Space,
comes in the middle,
F.
double F.
F. F. Lower. Lower.
Okay?
Space. Period.
So it is double F.
If it comes at the
If it comes at the end of a word, it is
exclamation.
exclamation mark.
S.
Okay, S.
S.
Uh,
Low F. Lower.
it is
Space,
exclamation mark. It is exclaim. Okay? So it's done. Next is 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. If it comes in the beginning or at the end, it is
Low D.
Bracket
Space.
open.
bracket open. It is bracket open. Okay?
R. E. C. New line. T. T. New line.
Bracket. Okay? Open or close, whatever. Right? In the beginning it is
Space. Red comma.
open and
At the end.
it is closed, right?
Yeah.
Bracket open and close. And if it comes in the middle,
G.
G.
New line.
You have become
Lower.
expert now.
Space. G. G. Comma.
I'm surprised. You people are quite confident and
GG like
Good.
suggestion.
next is
In Urdu, Gigi mean yes.
yes.
GG yes.
Yeah. You are right. Next is 2, 6. 2, 6 is 2, 6.
2-6.
If it comes alone, that is EN. Contraction
EN.
of EN.
Yes.
Low E. Space. Low.
Below E, that is EN. No matter it comes in the middle, beginning or at the end.
Yeah.
It is EN. Okay?
When it comes
Space and
alone,
Yes.
it is enough.
When it comes alone, it is
Enough.
Space. 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 New
so.
line.
Let me.
E. F. O,
F,
F,
T,
T,
G,
E,
N.
N,
Okay.
lower, space B,
Oh, enough. Okay. Next is 3-5. What is 3-5?
It's contraction of in.
Okay. So 3-5.
low I, space N,
We can call it below I as well. I
I,
and
N,
in.
lower,
Alone
space N,
or
comma,
in the beginning of
Yeah, whether it comes alone, in the middle, in the beginning, at the end, wherever it comes, it is IN. In, okay? So, next, 3-5-6.
3-5-6 was contraction of was.
low J, new,
Yes.
space I,
It, if it comes alone, it is just
J,
U S
S, F,
T.
T,
Just.
lower,
And if
space
it
comma,
if it comes in the beginning of a word, it is
B, new one,
by.
Y,
By by.
lower, space
Okay.
comma,
So by.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh no bye bye.
No, not bye bye.
We are still doing it. A lot of yes. Any question?
Lower J, is it was or just?
It was
Was.
not just. I have written wrong. Yeah, I have made a
It's
mistake.
was. It's not
Sorry,
just.
I made a mistake. It
space,
was.
lower,
Was, not
Y,
just.
E, space, lower, T, S, U, J,
Okay. Was. Yes, I often forget.
W, A, S, S, lower, space was comma,
Was. Okay, I'm so sorry, students. Because I'm doing multitasking at this time.
Yeah.
So don't think about it. I often make mistakes. Okay? So this is the thing. So now we start from next contractions which are with dot 5. Which are with dot 5. Which are with dot 5. So dot 5 contractions, they start from D. They start from D. There is no dot 5 A, dot 5 B, dot 5 C, right?
Alright.
So we need to put dot 5 in the previous cell always, right? So dot 5
space left bracket idle tilt, C,
contractions, okay?
O, N, S, S, new line, S, T, T, R, A, C, T, T, I, O,
And
N,
S.
low B, new line, low B,
S.
S,
Contractions.
S, new line,
Dot 5 contractions, okay?
N, new line,
Dot 5D,
dot 5, D, space,
D.
D,
A1.
A, new line, Y, lower,
D.
space, D,
Dot 5E,
Ever.
ever. Dot 5E,
dot 5, E, space, ever,
E, V, E, R.
R, lower,
Ever.
space, ever,
Dot
comma,
5F,
dot 5, F, space,
father. F, A, T, H,
E,
E,
new line,
R.
R,
Father.
lower, space,
Dot 5G,
No contraction.
no contraction. Dot 5H,
Here.
here.
dot 5, new line, H, blank, new line, H, new line, E, R, E, lower, space, H,
Dot 5J,
Dot 5.
J, no contraction. Dot 5I, no contraction. Dot 5K,
dot 5,
dot 5K has contraction.
No.
No.
K and O down.
K, space, O, K, N, O, W, lower,
Okay.
space, no comma,
Dot 5L,
dot 5,
dot 5L has contraction.
Load.
L,
Lord.
L, space, H,
Lord, oh Lord,
L-O-R-D.
O, R,
Load.
D,
oh Lord.
lower, space, 4 comma,
Dot 5M,
Mother.
dot 5, dot, F, space, mother,
mother.
F, O, T, H, new line. E, O,
not O,
O,
R.
R.
Mother.
Lower.
Dot
Space,
5
letter
N.
comma. Dot
Name.
5. Dot,
Good.
N, space.
Name.
N, A, N, E, lower. Space. N,
Dot
comma.
5
O.
O.
1.
Dot 5. O, space. 1. O, O, N,
E. O N E 1.
lower.
Dot
Space.
5 P.
Dot 5. Space. Left bracket idle tilde. Space.
Dot 5 P.
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 Space. R.
Yeah.
Now,
R.
before
P A
you
R
have
T.
Q.
P, P, new line.
You should have Q before.
No.
P,
P
Q.
comes before
P
Q.
come before Q.
Okay. P.
A, R, new line. T,
Part.
lower, lower. Space. E.
Dot 5
Dot
Q.
5.
Action.
Yeah,
Space.
P come before
Q.
Q.
U, E, S, T, I, O, N, N.
Okay, question.
Lower. Space. Question,
Ne-
comma.
Question. Dot 5
R.
R.
Dot
Right.
5. R. Space.
R I G
H,
H T. Right?
Lower.
Right.
Space,
Next.
right, comma.
S.
S.
S dot 5
Dot
S.
5.
Some.
Some. S-O-M-E.
S,
S O M
C, C,
M
F,
E. Sum.
lower. Space, some comma.
Dot 5
Dot 5.
T.
Time.
T,
Time.
space, T, I, F, E. Lower, lower, new line.
Time.
Space, S,
Okay.
U.
Dot 5 U.
dot 5.
Under.
Under.
Space, under,
Under. U
U,
and
N,
B
D,
E
E,
R.
R.
Under.
Lower, space, under, comma.
Dot 5
Dot 5,
V
dot 5,
has
new
no
line.
contraction.
V has no contraction. Dot 5X has no contraction. Dot 5Y
Y, blank, new line.
Y is young.
Y.
young. Y
Y,
O-U-N-G.
U,
O
U-N-G.
U and
N,
G.
G,
Young.
G, new line. Lower,
And dot
Space,
5Z
No contraction.
no contraction. Okay. So that is
W is there.
W is there. Yeah, we have forgotten. We missed W. Dot 5
dot 5. Space, left, right.
W.
W, space, dot 5.
Dot
Dot
5
5.
W.
Double, space.
Yes.
Walk.
W, R, R, O, R, up, K,
Work.
lower, space, work.
So now all done with dot 5. All done with dot.
It's not done.
Okay. Now dot letters with dot 5 is are over, but dot 5 with other symbols like dot 5 with THE contraction 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the contraction of this?
Contraction.
Yeah.
Is it there?
There, THE
R-E.
RE. So dot 5
Dot 5, dot 5. THE sign, space, there.
T H E R E. Okay.
Lower, space, T,
So next is dot 5 and 1 6.
That is CH contraction.
Yeah. No, but dot with
But yeah,
dot.
but it's a character.
It's a character. What is the spelling of character?
CHARACTER.
Yes. Dot
dot
5.
5. CH sign, space, character.
Okay. C H A R A C T
T,
E R.
R.
Character.
Lower, space, character, comma.
Okay. Next is dot 5 and 1456. Dot 5 and 1456.
Yes, that is true.
Through.
Dot 5, dot 5. TH sign, space, through.
T
H,
H
H, new line.
R O U
New line.
G
T,
H.
H,
Through.
lower, space, through, comma.
Through. Okay. Dot 5 and 156. Dot 5 and 156.
Dot
Dot
5.
156.
W, space, where? W, W, H, E,
156.
E. Lower,
Where?
space, where, comma.
Dot 5 and 156 is where? Okay?
Yes.
Dot 5,
156 is where?
yeah. Dot 5 and 1256.
1256.
Dot 5. OU sign.
That
OU
is-
space E.
Oat.
Ought, O-U-T. O-U-G-H-T.
Yes, oat.
O-U-G-H-T. Ought. And this is no more
Space
used.
comma.
Okay? This is rarely used. But as a part of word, I have seen being used. Okay? Often. So now we are moving to dot 4-5 contractions. We are moving to dot 4-5.
Blank new line.
So now we have 4-5 before each letter. 4-5 before.
Dot 4-5. Dot 4-5. New line.
Okay?
Dot 45.
Low Z. Low Z.
Let me take
Low
some
Z.
water.
Low Z. Low Z. Blank new line.
So
Space. Space.
enter. Press enter. Okay. Now 4-5. With 4-5 there were only few contractions. There are only
Few
few
contractions.
contractions. 4-5 plus U is
4-5 plus
U upon.
upon.
4-5 plus U is upon.
Dot 4-5.
U,
Dot
O,
4-5.
N.
U. Page 2. Space upon.
U
U. E. E. New line. E.
P-O-N.
E. E.
O
O.
N.
N. Lower. Space
upon
upon comma.
upon, right?
Yes.
Dot 4-5 and let me check because I don't want to forget anything and mislead you.
Yeah.
Because everything should be okay. Okay. So here we have upon. Yes, 4-5 plus W
Word.
word. 4-5 plus W
Word.
word.
Dot 4-5. W. Space word. W. O. R. D. Lower.
Word.
Lower. New line.
The dot 4-5 plus the contraction of the
Dot 4-5.
These.
THE sign. Space word. These.
these
These.
D
T.
H E S
S.
E. So dot 4-5 and 2-3-4-6 is these. Okay. That is these. Then 4-5 4-5 plus 1-4-5-6.
Those.
Those. Okay. 4-5 plus
1, 4, 5, 6.
4-5.
4-5. TH sign. TH
1,
sign.
4, 5,
Blank
6.
new line.
And those T H O S
S.
E.
E. Lower. Space
Those
no comma.
4-5 plus
Dot 4-5.
1-5-6.
W. Space E.
Whose W
W.
H-O-S.
H
H.
O
O. O.
S
S.
E.
E. Lower.
Whose.
Space whose comma.
Clear? Now we are moving to dot 4-5-6 contraction.
Blank new line.
4-5-6
Dot
contraction.
4-5-6. Dot
Okay.
4-5-6. New line. Low Z. Low. Low. Low Z.
Press enter.
Blank new line.
Okay. So now we are doing 4-5-6. 4-5-6 plus C
Cannot.
cannot. 4-5-6 plus C
Cannot.
cannot. So here
Dot 4-5-6. C. Space and dot.
C A N
N.
O T
T.
not.
Lower. Space.
4-5-6
Dot 4-5.
and H
H. Space.
Hard.
H.
had.
A. New line.
HAD had.
D.
Hard.
Lower. Space and comma.
Okay. 4-5-6 plus 4-5-6 plus M
Many.
many. 4-5 plus M
Dot 4-5-6. Dot 4-5-6. M.
many. M
M.
A and Y.
Y.
Many. Okay, comma.
Lower. Blank. New
4,
line.
5, 6
Dot 4, 5, 6.
plus S.
S. Space. Zero. S.
S. Spirit. R. I. T. Spirit. Spirit. Says spirit. Yeah.
Lower.
Spirit.
Lower. Space.
I'm
S.
calling it spirit. Okay. Spirit. And I have written the wrong spelling as well of spirit.
Space. Lower.
S-P-R-I-T.
R. P. S.
Yeah. S.
S.
P.
I. New line.
V.
It's S-P. Sorry, no, there is still wrong.
I. S.
S P
S. P.
I
R.
I T.
I. T. Lower. Space. Zero. Comma.
Spirit. Okay. Next is 4, 5, 6 plus W.
Wall.
Yeah.
Wall.
The world as I see it. World. Okay.
Dot 4, 5, 6.
And W.
W. Space S.
World. W.
W.
O.
R.
R.
R. New line.
L.
L.
D.
D.
World.
Lower.
Okay.
Space. World. Comma.
4, 5, 6
That's
plus
4, 5,
the
6.
contraction of the 2, 3, 4, 6.
T-H-E. Space. Fair.
There. T. H. E. I. R.
R. R. New line.
Okay.
Lower. Blank. New line.
So. No, it's not yet finished. We have done some. Now we are moving to contractions 4, 6. Okay, so 4, 6.
That's 4, 6. That's 4, 6. Low C. Low C. Low C. Low C. Low C. Blank. New line.
Okay, 4, 6 plus D. 4, 6 plus D. O-U-N-D. 4, 6.
O U N
That's
D.
4, 6. That's 4, 6. D. Space. Delta.
O. U.
U.
And D.
D.
For example, we want to write
Lower.
ground.
Space. Out.
We
Comma.
can use it there. Okay. 4, 6 E.
4, 6, E.
That's 4, 6. E. Space. Epsilon.
A N C E. Ants.
C. E.
Example.
Lower.
Dance. Who wants to dance with me? Who wants to dance with me? For 4, 6 plus N. 4, 6 plus N.
S-I-O-N.
S-I-O-N. You are right. 4, 6 N.
Television.
That's 4, 6.
Television.
Space. No.
Television.
S. I.
S-I-O-N. For example,
Lower.
Division.
Space.
division.
Television.
Decision.
Vision.
Yeah, vision. Yeah. So wherever S-I-O-N comes at the end, we can use. Okay. Next is 4, 5, 6 and S.
Less.
Less. 4, 6.
That's 4, 6.
S.
S. Blank. New line.
Less.
L. L. New line.
E.
E.
S.
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 S. Lower. Look. Space. L.
Less.
Careless.
4, 6 careless. And what else?
Helpless.
Helpless. A lot of words we can make with it.
Endless.
Yeah, so it's a wonderful suffix. Next, 4, 6 plus T.
O-U-N-T.
O-U-N-T.
That's 4, 6. T. Space. Out.
For example,
Count.
O. U. N. T.
for example, mount.
Space. Out. Comma.
Mountain.
Amount.
Mountain, mount, count, yeah.
Amount.
Yeah. Amount, yeah. So, it's a wonderful contraction. So, next we are moving to 5, 6. We are moving to 5, 6 contractions.
That's 5, 6. That's low C. Low C. Low C. Low C. Low C. Low C.
We have created almost a new chart, okay? Yes. So 5, 6 because we have written down all the contractions here. 5-6-E is E-N-C-E. E-N-C-E. 5-6.
Dutch 5.
E. If, for example,
E.
Fence.
N. C. E.
yeah, fence, defense,
Hence.
hence,
Space S comma.
Silence.
silence. Yeah. So
Defense.
5-6-G.
5-6-G is O-N-G.
O-N-G, ong. For example,
Among.
among.
Dutch 5-6.
Along.
G. Space G.
O,
O. New line.
N, G.
G. Lower.
Yes,
Space on comma.
among, song. In a lot of words we can use.
Wrong.
Wrong as well.
Song.
Yeah. You're right. Next is 5-6-L.
That is full.
5-6.
Dutch 5-6.
L.
And I will talk little bit
Space L.
about it.
Full.
That it is full for full F-U single L.
F. F. New
Single.
line.
F-U-L.
U.
L.
L.
So don't get confused. It is not for double L.
Lower. Space no comma.
Single L.
Like beautiful.
Yes, beautiful.
Skillful.
Skillful. 5-6-N. That's an important contraction.
Yeah.
5-6-N.
T-I-O-N.
T-I-O-N-T.
Dutch 5-6.
I-O-N.
And
N. Space N.
T-I-O-N.
N. Lower. Space T.
T-I-O-N. Shun, right? For example,
Nation.
nation,
Relation.
relation,
Position.
possession, yeah. 5-6-N-S.
That is nest.
Ness. 5-6-N-S.
Dutch 5-6.
Nest.
Space S.
N-E-S-S.
S. S. Lower.
For
Space
example,
Fitness.
fitness,
Sadness.
happiness,
Sadness.
sadness,
Darkness.
yes,
Weakness.
weakness. 5-6-N-T.
5-6 and T is meant.
Meant.
M-E-N-T.
Dutch 5-6.
T.
T. Space. N. E. N. T. Lower. Space
Meant, for
comma.
example, it's another very good prefix.
Movement.
Movement,
Government.
government,
Development.
development.
Agreement.
5-6-N-Y. Another important contraction.
I-T-Y.
I-T-Y-E-T.
Dutch 5-6. Dutch 5-6.
Responsibility.
W. Space W.
Yes.
ST
Unity.
sign. The R sign. The R sign. New line.
No.
The R sign. ST sign.
Gravity.
Space. Space T.
Probity.
Space. W. Dutch 5-6. Space. Lower.
Comma.
Lower. Space. Met comma.
So,
Dutch
5-6
5-6. Dutch 5-6. New line.
Y.
Y. Space Y.
I.
T.
T.
T. New line.
Y.
Y. Lower.
E.
Space.
T.
ID comma.
Okay. Prosperity. Right?
Unity.
Unity.
Ability.
Ability. Now we are moving to
Land. New line.
now not numbers. We are moving to short forms of contractions, right? For example,
A-B.
so short forms
S. S. New line.
S H
H.
O
R.
R
T.
T
T.
dot
Space S.
F O
O.
R
R.
M
F.
S.
S. Low C.
Okay.
Land. New.
Okay, short forms. Okay. For short forms, AB is about. AB is
A.
About.
A. F. F.
AB
B.
is
Space about.
about. A B O U T
T.
about.
Lower. Space.
Okay. Next ABV
A.
Above.
E. B.
above. A V O V E above.
Above.
Lower. Space above comma.
Next is
AC.
AC is according.
According.
A
C.
C
Space
according
according.
A,
New line.
C,
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 O,
O, R, D, I, N,
G, new line.
according.
Lower. Space according.
But if you add A after AC, you add 2, 3, 5, it becomes according to.
according to.
Okay. Next is ACR.
Across.
ACR is
Across.
across. A,
C,
R,
R. Space across.
Means across.
across. A,
C,
C, C,
R,
R,
O,
O,
S,
S,
T, new line. T,
S,
S, S.
across, comma.
Lower. Space across comma.
Okay,
A, new line.
F.
F. Space after.
AF is,
AFN.
no, AF first, AF.
AF after.
After.
A. F. F. T. E, new line. R.
After.
Lower. Space
AF
after
is
comma.
after.
after.
I think after
AFN,
afternoon.
afternoon. AFN,
Afternoon.
afternoon. So,
A.
F,
F, new line.
N,
N. Space afternoon.
A,
F, F, new line. T, E,
R,
N, new line. O, O, N.
afternoon, comma.
Lower.
AFW,
A. F,
AF
W. Space A.
afterwards. A, F,
F,
T, E, R,
R, new line. R,
W,
W.
A, R, D,
D, D,
oh,
T,
did not.
T.
S, afterwards.
Lower. Space
Afterwards.
afterwards, comma.
Okay. Then afterwards, next AG
Against.
again,
Again.
Again.
A.
Yes.
G, space
Again.
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 A,
G, A, I,
I,
and again.
N. Lower, space
And A, G, and 3, 4
A. S, E sign. S, space
Against.
against.
A.
A, G, A, I, N,
N, new line.
S,
S,
T,
T.
against.
Lower. Space against comma.
Okay, against. Okay, so against done. Next is ALM.
Almost.
Almost.
ALM,
Almost.
almost. A,
A.
L, M,
N. Space almost.
A,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N.
O,
O, new line.
S,
S,
T.
T.
ALR,
L.
AL.
R.
R,
Space already.
Already.
A.
already.
AL,
L.
R,
E.
E,
E.
A,
A.
D,
D, new.
Y.
Y.
Already.
Lower. Space already comma.
Already. Okay. So already is done now. So AL
Also.
also. So A,
A.
L,
L. Space also.